Take a bite, bro. Take a bite. Oh my goodness. We're gonna make today starfruit bhorta, and this is the tree. So let's select some. Oh my god, there are so many. I'm not really sure about the taste, so let's check it. So we are gonna clean all these now, and then let's go. Many days later, we are back to the Scotland field. I feel like that I am still studying in honors first year. Let's show you now what's going on here. So these are our carambola. You take a bite. Oh wow. Okay. Our বন্ধু কি ধরনের মরিচ আসছে আনছে এগুলা দিয়ে কাজ হবে। Oh my goodness. Okay. Sivat, take a bite, bro. Oh, he likes. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, it's good. Of course, it's good.
It's good for health, not for taste.
Now it's my turn. They are tasting. Here's the salt, red chili, but it's এটা কোনো কাজেরই না actually.
It's not working.
Let's try. Oh my goodness. I think this is the best for girls. Girls gonna like it. Oh my god. Hey better bro. Expression. Ne এখন দে না এখন লজ্জা পাও কেন ক্যামেরার আড়ালে এত সুন্দর expression দাও. I feel like that my brain is not working that much because it's so sour. Sunset going on and it's a really nice feeling for me. Now I can remind actually বড় ভাইরা ডাকতো and আমরা এখানে এসে বসতাম. It was quite comfortable and nice feeling for me. Not bad actually. What is that?
Starfruit is star name.
Okay. Why? Starfruit is called starfruit because it's like star. You see? Completely like a star. Starfruit কে আমরা ক্যারামবোলা বলে থাকি, but starfruit মানে কামরাঙ্গার English starfruit টাই famous নাম হিসাবে পরিচিত. Bro, do you like it actually? Staying here, spending time here?
No.
তুই কেন পছন্দ করবি? This is like completely like star. Bro, take a bite. Bro, he likes it like girls.
Like girls?
Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. Congratulations. And it's my turn now. Wow.
Super tasty, yummy.
My goodness, it's really so tough, bro. নষ্ট পোলাবাই থার্ড ইয়ার ওটা পোলাবেন সব নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে। Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm gonna sing a song for cute beautiful black girls. কালো মেয়েদের দুঃখ কেউ বুঝে না আসলে, so আমি কালো মেয়েদের actually I'm gonna sing a song, guys. Okay, so let's get started now. কালো মেয়ের উদাহরণ মুতাসির you fuck you. Okay, let's get started now. I have heard this song from one of my teacher of my university.
Baby.
Best of luck, guys. Sabar pokha theke best of luck. Okay, let's get started now. Don't laugh anyone, okay?
You can take your voice.
Kalu maiya kalu boila koiro na je hela ore sada mukhe nai re jaha kalute je ache taha okhi hai hai কালো মাইয়ার দুঃখ কেউ বুঝতে না চায় কালো মাইয়া কালো বইলা কইরো না যে হেলা ওরে ব্রো বুঝছো দে সাদা মুখে নাই রে যাহা কালোতে যে নাহি কালোতে যে নাই রে তাহা কালো মাইয়ার দুঃখ কেউ বুঝতে না চায়
কালো মাইয়ার দুধ আছে
What do you say? What are you saying? So guys, it was really very wonderful afternoon time moments, very good moments, and I'm never gonna forget it. And this is Scotland field, sorry. And bro, carambola bhorta kemon lagche? It was nice?
No,
not nice because too sour actually, not tasty. And now let's go from here. Students are playing there behind me. And we are going back. Bye, tada. Love you guys. Oh, I forgot to say you one thing. Don't forget to follow my page.